good morning. Good morning to all my subscribers. This is Cynthia and Lesley Island Vibe. Today I'm making some breakfast. So I just decided to show you all guys. I have in Callaloo. It's going to steam by itself, which is I already washed it. This I have smoked herring. I have the season here. I have red onion and white onion. I have garlic. I have black pepper. And on my side now, I have these are for the chocolate tea. So I have chocolate tea from St. Vincent. So these are cocoa. So I have chocolate tea this morning, making chocolate tea this morning. I have bay leaf, orange peel, cinnamon stick, as you could see, fresh ginger, can't do without it, a little piece of aniseed, bay leaf, and nutmeg. So I'm gonna crush the nutmeg that you could see. This is the nutmeg out of the shell. So I have the nutmeg here, guys. So now I'm going to wash the two chocolate. So the family started rinsing out the chocolate. And I'm gonna put it into the water over there. So that is I'm gonna half open it so it could melt. Then I'm taking back, now coming back to you. I'm gonna put in my season for the smoked herring. Don't want to put too much grease. I'm gonna turn the stove down. I'm coming here with my seasoning. I have the ginger. I have sweet pepper, and I have tomato pepper. A lot of potato with that. I have red onion, shallot. That went into it. Then I have the fish, which is a smoked herring. See how nice it is? I cleaned it yesterday. So now I'm going to just remove some of from it. You all could see. I'm just going to take out some of the bone. So this is smoked herring. It was well washed, well scalded. So I don't want to crush it up too much. So this is the smoked herring right here. So I'm going to put them into the pot. You could see, look how nice it is. Scotch bonnet pepper on top, so it will give it flavor. I'm not going to boss it because I put a little bit in it. I'm going to add my black pepper. Oh, look how nice is this, beautiful. Look at it. Look at this breakfast, my God. Look at it. So this is it right here. I have this scotch bonnet. I have to be very careful with the clock. I have fresh ginger. I have shallot. I have garlic. Everything is in this smoked herring here. Also, I have the breadfruit. As you could see in the oven, I'm roasting the breadfruit to go with everything. This part now is for me to steam the callaloo. So we have the Jamaican callaloo here. I'm going to put in my garlic, shallow, scallion and pepper. You see, my husband loves all these things. This is his favorite too. And I do a lot. Because you know Callaloo will shrink down. Fresh and nice. It's good. A good side dish next to the smoked herring. Because you have to have some greens in your bag. A little black pepper and the Callaloo. So we're doing it fresh. We don't want to put too much nothing into it. You know. And here comes again. Here is it. Look how nice it is. Look how nice is the herring. Call it smoked herring. You have a Scotch knife, you don't want it to burn. And that's the cockatoo. You could see the cockatoo smelting over there. So look at the cockatoo. I'm going to cover the Callaloo. Let it simmer. Look at the cocoa. Look how rich. Look, it's melting. Look how beautiful is that cocoa. When I finish everything, take the breadfruit from the oven, peel the breadfruit, show you the dishes, how we have it in the morning for our breakfast. I'll get back to you all. Thank you so much for watching Cynthia and Lesley Island Vibes. All over the world, all my support. Okay guys, come back with the breadfruit and the Callaloo as you could see, and the roast breadfruit. Look at this. I know your mouth is drizzling. Here, look at the cocoa. Look at the rich cocoa. Look at it. Wow, you are jealous. Look. Look. So this is what I'm having for breakfast, and for my dessert hours are blueberry, raspberry, you see here, kiwi. I have all these here for me to eat, and pear, peach. So all this is for me. I always have it every morning for breakfast. Mara dog in Kenya, I know you love this, and this is what I present you this morning. This is it. So I'm going to taste the hot cockatoo. Oh my God, it's so rich. It's staying in my throat. And then I'm going into the breadfruit. I don't want you all to run your mouth run the water. Oh my God, look at the breadfruit and the hair. Look at it. This is the color. All over. Thank you so much for watching Cynthia and Lesley Kitchen. Wow. Peace out.